Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, as you know, in our previous session, we were doing page number 204, okay? So that was an examination paper and we were discussing the various questions from it. Now we have already done up to sum number 13 in the previous session, and today I am going to start with the next few sums from the same. Okay, so the next topic is, so the next sum is sum number 14 that I am going to start today. So here question number 14 that is given here. So I am just writing the topic first, and all of you also kindly open your books. That is page number 205. So this is the page number, that is 205. Clear? Okay. Now this is the question here. Write in words. So here the sum is divided into two parts, and here some numbers numbers is given, and we have to write those numbers into words. Okay, so that is what given in question number 14. A part, it is given writing words 5, 6, 0, 1, 8. Okay, so first thing is this, that we have to write this number, that is 56,018 into words. So before writing the number in words, the first thing is that you must divide the words according to the Indian place value chart. Okay, so that is ones, tens, hundred. Then put down the comma here. Okay, तो ones, tens, hundred. So देखिए अब आप easily आप इसको segregate कर सकते हैं, that this is in ones place and this is from the hundred. So that there is ones and then hundred. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. So it is 10,000. So the question is 56,018. Okay, अगर हम इसको words में बोलेंगे, if we pronounce these numbers in words, so we will carry that 56,018. So let's write 56,018, EIGHTEEN, that is 56,018. Okay, B1. So the B is, in the B part, the next number is given, that is 45907. That is 45907. 45907. Okay, so let's divide it according to the Indian place into ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000. So that is 45,000. That is 45,907. That is 45,907. Okay, so this is 45,907. Okay, so this is how you're going to write these numbers in words. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 14 from page number 205. Chaliye, moving next to question number 15. Okay, so now we will move to question number 15. So question number 15 is, the difference of two numbers is 25,496. If the smaller number is 2,659, what is the other number? So here in this question the difference between two numbers, so difference means दो numbers को जब हमने आपस में subtract किया and their difference that is given here. So the difference between two numbers is 25,496. Okay, and the smaller number, अगर छोटा number जो smaller number है, the two numbers में से जो एक number you can say the smaller number is 2,659. What is the other number? Okay, so first of all we will write that that information that is already given here. So here it is given question number 15, that is difference is equal to, difference कितना दिया हुआ है, that is 25,496. So this is the difference that is given. Okay, next smaller number or one number you can say, the one number, okay, so the first number you can say the smaller one number is, जिस दो नंबर्स को आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट करके जब आंसर 25,496 आया है तो उसमें से वन नंबर, तब एक नंबर कौन सा है, दैट इज 2,659. दिस इज द वन नंबर. नेक्स्ट फाइंड आउट द अदर नंबर. नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द अदर number. So what will be the other number that you have to find out? तो देख ले ये जो अदर नंबर है, ये दूसरा नंबर है, that we will have to find out. So that means for finding this number, what will we do? So for finding this number, we are going to subtract this and this. So that means we are going to subtract 2,659 from 25,496. Okay, so let's subtract them. That is 25,496 minus 2,659. Okay, so we will subtract them both so that we can find the other number. Clear? So that is 25,496 minus 2,659. Okay, so you can do this subtraction by yourself. At least try one time to do this calculation. Okay class, chaliye, so simple subtraction you have to do here. So let's subtract it. Okay, you can't subtract 9 from 6, so it will become 16 and it will borrow from here and it will become 8. 16 minus 9, 7. 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 6, not possible. So it will borrow from here and it will become 4 and it will become 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus nothing or 2 minus 0 is 2. So therefore the other number is 22,837. देखिए, therefore other number is 22,837. Okay, so that means difference between okay, so this is how you are going to find it. Okay, sorry, here we have to find difference. That means we will find by doing the addition, not by difference. Sorry for this. Sorry class, I just got confused little bit. So देखिए, इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस निकालना है. इन दोनों के बीच हमें बताना है कि अगर एक नंबर ये है तो दूसरा नंबर क्या होगा. सो दैट मीन्स अगर दो नंबर्स को बीच में हम डिफरेंस निकालना है, इस नंबर के साथ अगर हम एक और नंबर जिसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, सो you will get this. So that means अगर आप इसमें so that means इसको we will calculate by adding them both. 2, 6, 5, 9. Sorry, I just got confused with addition. Okay, so we have to find the difference इन दोनों का. Okay, so देखिए this is the difference between two numbers and the one number is this and we have to find the other number. So that means if we subtract these two, we will get the number from which after subtracting this we got this. Okay, so first of all we will just add them both. So let's add it. 25,496 plus 2,659 इनको हम ऐड करके निकालेंगे. 9 plus 6 15, 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15, 4 plus 6 10 plus 1 that is 11, 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 and that is 2. Therefore, the other number is 28,155. Therefore, the other number is 28,155. तो देखिए दो नंबर्स के बीच का डिफरेंस निकालना, डिफरेंस दिया हुआ था, एक वन नंबर वाज गिवन, दूसरा ऐड करना था. तो जब इन दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे देन वी कैन कैलकुलेट द नंबर फ्रॉम विच द स्मॉलर नंबर हैज बीन सब्ट्रैक्टेड. ओके, तो उसके लिए हमें ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर निकालने के लिए वी विल ऐड देम बोथ. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट the question number is, next question number that we are going to start is, that is question number 16. Okay, so let's do question number 16 now. Question number 16 is, write the next numbers by observing the pattern. Okay, so here 2a and b part is given and we have to write the other number by observing the pattern that is already given. Okay, so first of all we are going to observe the pattern. So here it is given. Okay, so first of all I'll just write on the pattern. So here the sum number 16 is divided into two parts. 16 a part. So in the a part it is given 29,356, 30,356, 31,356. Okay, and by observing this pattern we have to find the next two numbers. So by observing this pattern we have to find the next two numbers. Okay, so here it is 29,356, here it is 30,356 and here it is 31,000. So देखिए, if you observe here what we are doing, we are just adding 1000. देखिए 29,356 plus 1000. Let's see, 6, 5, 3, 9 plus 1 0, 1, that is 30,000. Again if you subtract 1000 to it you will get this. Let's check out. Plus 1000, 6, 5, 3, 1, 3. So that means at every step you will add 1000 and you will get the other number. Okay, so देखिए हमने यहाँ पे 1000 ऐड किया, we got this, and if we add 1000 to this we got this. Now again for getting this number we are going to add 1000 to it. So here we are going to add 1000 plus 1000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, plus, let's add it. Okay, 6 plus 0 6, 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 0 3, 1 plus 1 2, 3 plus 0 3, that is 32,356. That is 32,356. Okay, so after adding 1000 to it, we got 32,356. Clear? Now let's add 1000 to it as well. अब इसमें भी हम 1000 ऐड करते हैं. देखिए 32,356 plus 1000. Okay, let's add them. 6 plus 0 6, 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 0 3, 1 plus 2 plus 1 3, then it's 3. So that is 33,356. So the next number we will get, that is 33,356. So this is the next number that we have gotten. Okay, so one important thing class, that देखिए हमने यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व पैटर्न ऑब्जर्व करके वी हैव डन ऑल द कैलकुलेशन, बट दिस कैलकुलेशन दैट आई हैव डन हियर, you are going to do it in the rough part only. Okay, so you no need to no, you will not do it in the fair, you will just do it in the rough only. Clear? So this also, if you want you can show, or if you don't want then you can just erase it. Okay, so this is the pattern. In this sum we have followed the pattern of adding 1000 at every step. हमने हर step पे we have just added 1000. Clear? Moving to the B part. In the B part, the question is, the B part is given here. Okay, so in the B part, the pattern is like this, it is given. Okay, that is 69011, 68011, next 67011. Now let's add the next two. So let's write the next two digits. Okay, so now we have to observe the pattern and give the solution. Okay, so let's देखिए सबसे पहले हमें क्या चीज़ देखनी होगी, what pattern we are following here. Okay, so first thing we have to observe. So 69,011, 68,011, 67,011. So that means if you just read it simply, आपको समझ में आएगा that at every step, okay, not every step. So while moving from this to this, what we are doing? We are subtracting 1000. We are subtracting 1000. So let's see, 69,011 minus 1000. 69,011 minus 1000. 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0, 9 minus 1 8, and that is 68,011. So this is what we have got here. Clear? Now from moving this to this, again subtract 1000 minus 1000. Okay, so let's subtract 1000. 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0, 6 minus 1 7, and that is 6. So कितना आया? 67,011. Next 67,011 minus 1000. 67,011 minus 1000. 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0, 67 minus 1, that is 7 minus 1 6, and that is 6. So that means from when we subtract 1000 from 67,011, you will get this one, that is 66,011. That is 66,011. तो हमें अगर 67,011 में से 1000 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा, so you will get 66,011. Clear? Next, again moving this to this or for finding the next digit, again we are going to subtract 1000 from it. So let's subtract 1000. Okay, and all this calculation that I am doing here, you will do in the rough. Okay, देखिए ये तो मैं बेटा आपको समझाने के लिए हर एक स्टेप पे आई एम जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्टिंग एंड शोइंग यू, बट देखिए वंस यू ऑब्जर्व द पैटर्न यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली जस्ट राइट द आंसर. ओके, तो ये नहीं कि हर एक पे उसको रिकन्फर्म करके लिखिए. ओके, अगर आपको एक बार पैटर्न समझ में आ गया है देन जस्ट फॉलो इट विदाउट हेजिटेटिंग. क्लियर? तो 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0, 6 minus 1 5, 6. That is, next is 65,011. That is 65,011. So now here we have got that is 65,011. Clear? So this is the pattern that we have solved. देखिए इसमें हमने adding we were just adding 1000 and in the second part we were just subtracting 1000. Okay, so this is how we do all these kinds of sum that are related to kind of a pattern. किसी pattern से related कोई sum है, we are going to solve it like this. Okay, by observing the proper pattern and then answering it. Clear? Okay, now moving next to sum number 17. Okay, so sum number 17 is given. That is the next one. Okay, so sum number 17 that is given here. In the sum number 17 it is given simplify. That is simplify. Okay, that is 56,308 plus 1,503 multiplied by 2. Okay, so for we have to just simplify. Okay, so this for doing this we have to simplify. So what is simplify? That means by following the DMAS. Okay, as you in class 4, so in class 4 you are having only the DMAS rule. Not देखिए वैसे तो होता है board mass. Okay, so if you remember we have done the board mass. We have followed the board mass by doing the calculation. While in this we will follow DMAS only because B and O. Okay, so as I am telling you that is board mass. Okay, but this BO it doesn't exist in your syllabus, so we will follow only this, that is DMAS. D is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, so we will follow DMAS. चलिए, so the DMAS, by following the DMAS, the first is D. So D is division. D is for division. So can you find any kind of division here? No. Then M, multiplication. So is there any multiplication? Yes. So we have to multiply this. So that means we will write it as exactly 56,308 plus 1,503 multiplied by 2. So this you are going to solve in the rough. Okay, so any kind of calculation beta you are going to do in the rough. Okay, so 1,503 multiplied by 2. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is 3. So that is 3006. That is 3006. ओके, नाउ देखिए अब DMAS रूल हमें फॉलो करना है इसलिए भी सेकंड स्टेप में भी. बट देखिए अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ हमारे पास एडिशन है, नन कोई और ऑप्शन है ही नहीं. सो हाउ वी विल जस्ट सिंपली ऐड देम बोथ. सो लेट्स ऐड 56,308 and 3006. Let's add them both. 8 plus 6 14, 1 3, 6 plus 3 9, 5. That is 59,314. That is 59,314. So write the answer separately as well. that is 59,340. So after simplification we have got the answer, that is 59,340, and this is the calculation part that we are going to do in the rough. तो ये calculation part हमने rough में किया है, and after simplifying we got the answer, that is 59,340. Clear? चलिए, the next is, again we are having the simplification here. Again we have to simplify it to the two parts. Let's do it. That is sum number 18. Okay, moving to the sum number 18 here. Again sum number 18 is to simplify. We will simplify in sum number 18 as well. So let's do this. Okay, simplify. The A part is 2 upon 17 plus 5 upon 17. 2 upon 17 plus 5 upon 17. Okay, so now we will just simplify it. तो देखिए, so simple calculation or simple addition you always do. Okay, but in this you have to add two fractions. Okay, इसमें आपको क्या करना है, आपको इसको दो fractions को add करना है. The first is 2 upon 17 and the second is 5 upon 17. Okay, but as I have already told you, whenever you add any two fraction, the first thing that you have to see that is the denominator of the both given fraction is equal or is same or not. तो सबसे पहली चीज़ जो आपको चेक करनी होती है बेटा, कि जो भी हमारे पास दो फ्रैक्शन को एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए दिया है, क्या उन दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है या नहीं. ओके, इफ द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ बोथ द गिवन फ्रैक्शन इज सेम, only then you can do the addition or the subtraction whatever is given. Okay, so as I can see here, the first fraction is 2 upon 17, second is 5 upon 17. So that means the denominator of both the fraction is same, that is 17. दोनों का denominator same है. So now you will do the simple addition by taking the common denominator. This is 2 upon 17, 5 upon 17. So that means they both are having the same denominator, and we will take the common denominator, that is 17. Clear? Next, the first one was 2, second plus 5. That is 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. And denominator will be 17 as same. So here your answer is 7 upon 17. This is your answer. That is 7 upon 17. Okay? चलिए, so this was the A part from sum number 18. Clear? देखिए, this was just addition of two fraction was given. The next B part, in that you have to do the subtraction of the fraction. Okay, by following the same method, we will do the subtraction of the fraction as well. So the two fractions that are given is, that is the first is 16 upon 19 minus 11 upon 19. 16 upon 19 minus 11 upon 19. So now we are going to subtract these two fractions. So first of all we will see that whether the denominators of both the fraction is same. So देखिए, दोनों का denominator same है. Yes, they both are same. So let's take the common denominator, that is 19. Okay, so they are both are having the same denominator 19. Let's subtract their numerator. The denominator same है, so that's why we have taken the common denominator, that is 19. Okay, now let's subtract the numerators. The first is 16, second is 11. 16 minus 11. 16 minus 11 is 5. 16 में से जब आप 11 minus करोगे, you will get 5. Okay, and the denominator is 19 as it is. So here we will write the answer, that is 5 upon 90. Okay, so this is the solution of the B part. You can just pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, so this was our today's session, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.